To use rubrics in Google Classroom, first create an assignment as you normally would. In this assignment, a blank Google Docs is being created so the teacher and the student can see the work at the same time when working remotely. You can give it a new name and add some text, for example if you wanted a template already there for them. This is very important. You must make a copy for each student. They will then have their own copy as if they have made it themselves. Now let's set up our marking rubrics so students know how the assignment will be assessed. This is where you give the marking section a title and description. For example, it could be a particular learning objective. If you have use scoring turned on, then you can add some feedback for students for each score, or what is needed to achieve that particular score. If you turn use scoring off, you can still have the level titles and descriptions. This is useful for coursework marking as it has marking bands. You can also add more criteria here. You can edit the scoring in a rubric until you have marked a student's work. After that you can only change the text. Save the rubric. Assign the work to the students. When a student looks at their assignment, they can see the criteria you've created. Here a student is completing the document just created a few moments ago. They are handing it in. Now as a teacher you can go to the assignment and use rubrics to mark it. On the right-hand side you will see your criteria. If you press it, it will go blue and this is what the student will see once you return the work. You can change the total points to match the scale if you did not change if from the default 100. It will then automatically give the student the points you choose. Otherwise it will scale it. You can either return the work to all students at the end of just to this one student now. The student will get an email and when they go to the assignment they can see the criteria you have selected. Let's go back to edit the assignment and edit the rubric. Remember though, as it has been marked now, only the text can change. You can export your rubrics. For example, you might want to share with another teacher. Do not edit this file, it could break it. You can click on File then Share or move it. You can reuse a rubric you've made already in Google Classroom. For example, if you made one for another class you teach. Choose Import from Sheets if someone has shared one with you or you previously exported a rubrics. When you reuse a rubrics you can change any part of it.